Do you have a Canon G6010 printer? With error 5B00, is it locked and you cannot print? Don't worry. I'm Sophia, from the website resetamahadias.com. Stay with me until the end and I'll tell you step by step what to do. Step 1. Create a folder called Reset Amahadias on the C drive. Step 2. Copy the location address. Step 3. Access the antivirus and in the Exclude Folder section, add the folder address created. Step 4. Go to the website resetamahadias.com and download the Canon Resetter. Step 5. After decompressing the program, open it, paste the received key, and activate it. Step 6. With the program activated, click on the Pro tab, then in the Counter section, choose 0% and click on Set. Step 7. Turn off and on the printer, so the changes can take effect. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned for our next videos. If you want to stay in touch, contact us via WhatsApp at the number you see on the screen. See you soon.